What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to give you a tour of this beautiful 7-acre Airbnb in Portland, Oregon. You guys are going to love it. I love this property. It has so much to offer. Let's give you guys a walkthrough. And not only that, but I want to talk about all the things that they did really well in this property, and even a couple of golden nuggets on what I would do differently to take this property to the next level. Let's jump right in. Well, let's start with the outside of this property. It is just beautiful. And in a second, I'll take you to the outside and show you everything that this property has to offer. But again, it is sitting on 7 acres. And there are so many bedrooms and bathrooms, and so it's just a gigantic Airbnb. Let's take you guys through. The first thing is always set up a keyless entry so that you automate the entrance and exit of each and every guest. Trust me, no matter how cool you think you are, the guests do not want to meet you just to get keys to the property. Okay, now this is a very nice setup right here. They got some very comfortable couches, and since this property does host large groups of people, they have additional seating here just to make it very comfortable. You got very nice decor. Everyone likes a nice mirror there. Check out this beautiful island. They definitely equipped you with all of the things you need to cook some really great meals. There's a huge pantry here. We went to Whole Foods and bought all kinds of stuff here. So this is a really nice addition. And interesting, what they actually did is this is actually a door, and they set it up as a table, which is just a very smart way to keep your costs low and to provide some storage for your pantry. So that's really cool. Beautiful kitchen here. They got a very nice area here to just kind of hang out. Our kids have been here reading books. We got the dining area right here. But again, one of the things that I always talk about is the importance of the property being fully renovated and in great condition. You can tell that this property is really well taken care of. There is no deferred maintenance. It's just an incredible property. Now we continue here. I love this shower, guys. It like kind of wraps around. It's really cool. They got the laundry set up here, which I definitely recommend that you set up a washer and dryer area, not just for your cleaning crew. It obviously expedites the process of them turning it over. Can you imagine your cleaning crew having to go somewhere else to wash all the linens and towels and blankets? It's just a lot of work. So definitely get either commercial or just some really good residential washer and dryers, okay? I also like this sink here. This is a nice little setup, a little storage area back there, even here as well. And then you got this really cool room here. I think they call this like a mud room. This is freaking awesome. Imagine you come in through the door, you hang your hat, your coat, take off your shoes, and then walk in, which it is kind of weird to walk into the laundry room. I mean, I don't know if it's designed. I personally never seen one of these, but I really like it. This is really cool here. Always have a second set of towels to shower. Again, it makes it easy. Like, think about it. They have extras of everything. So when their cleaning crew arrives, they can turn over this property pretty fast because they already have extra pillows, extra linens, extra towels. They don't have to wait for the washing and drying to finish for them to turn over the property. They can turn it over as the dirty stuff is getting washed and dried. So that's always a huge plus that I recommend. This is our bedroom, which, you know, with the kids, it can get a little messy, but they did provide this pack and play, which is a great idea for families to attract more families. And then let's continue to the upstairs area. So they got really cool bedroom here that gives you some really cool views. Check out the creek down there, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Really awesome. You got some stairs that can take you down there as well. So they got, you know, it's really cold outside. It's in the 40s, and it's always good to have one of these digital AC and heat. If you have one of those old school ones with the buttons, they're, you know, more challenging to deal with. I recommend you get a digital thermostat. That's always a great idea. If you have one of those old ones with the buttons, go digital. It's always the best. I really love this working It's a little loud in here, but this working area, always provide an area for somebody to be able to get their work done, especially nowadays where you have so many people working for Zoom, whether it's for their job or for a business. This is a great setup. Always provide an area like this. You also have an additional bedroom here, which is really cool. You know, personally, something that I would have done here to this area to take it to the next level, I would have set up a little foosball table right there, and even like a large Jenga and a large Connect 4. That's one of the things that this property is missing, is a game room. And I'm telling you, when you want to create a staycation experience, having a game room is a game changer. It's going to take your property from a 7 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10. So now I want to show you guys the outside. All right, let's continue with the tour of the outside of the property. One of my favorite amenities whenever I stay at an Airbnb, and that I like to include in many of my Airbnbs, is a jacuzzi. This is a huge plus, guys. Ooh, and it's nice and warm. That chloral is strong, that Clorox. Check out this little outdoor area right here. One of my favorite areas other than this jacuzzi. Let me show you guys this really awesome creek back here. So guys, check out this beautiful natural creek. That's the Airbnb. And here is the creek. This is just phenomenal. So beautiful, so much greenery. You even have like grass growing on the trees. Just look at that. Beautiful. So all in all, I really love this property. We paid around $700 a night, and there's two families. So one of my really good friends and business partners is here with his wife and two of his children. They also brought his wife's parents, my wife, my two daughters, and my mother-in-law is also here. So I don't even know how many that is, but there's like 10 of us here. I mean, let me count real quick. How many is that? See, 4 kids, 4 adults. So we have 11. So there's 11 of us in total that are here staying at the Airbnb. Extremely comfortable. So much to do for the kids. Again, there's a little, this is like a farmhouse here. I mean, just a beautiful property, guys. Like I said, being able to create a staycation experience. And usually when I refer to a staycation experience is where you can have a good time in the home without needing to leave the home and catch your breath. And the properties have great amenities like a pool, a game room, a jacuzzi, a basketball court, tennis court, a little golf setup, whatever that is, right? And so a lot of people will travel to these properties because they're in the same city or a nearby city. They're not even going anywhere. They're literally going to your property because of the experience that they're gonna have there. And they did a really good job of that. But again, a couple things that I would have done myself if this was my property, I would have created a game room. I mean, I still haven't gone inside of there. I just know it's like a farmhouse. But if they could have converted that into a massive game room where they had a pool table, a foosball table, a ping pong table, a large Jenga, a large Connect 4, just a game room. Maybe a PlayStation 5 setup because it has everything else. They could host large people. It's in great condition, AC, heat, parking, 7 acres. It's an amazing property. But that's what you want to look for, guys. You want to look for properties that are near the downtowns, beaches, convention centers, theme parks, large populated cities, and be able to create a staycation experience. You combine those two things, you're gonna have one of the better Airbnbs in the area, if not just be in the top 1%. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys like the video. And if you have any questions, comments, as always, type them in the comment section. I will make sure to personally respond to each and every single comment. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram where I post content every single day. And it's been a long time since I've done a property walkthrough. So if you guys want me to do more of these, let me know in the comments down below. Much love, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.